How to change interpreter in Pycharm. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead into your settings, and then you're gonna go into Python. And once you're in Python, you're just gonna choose interpreter. Here you'll be able to change or apply a different kind of interpreter by getting yourself another one or an already existing interpreter. So again, just click the interpreter drop down button over here and then select an existing one. But once you've chosen, just go ahead and press on apply and then press on OK. After selecting or adding the interpreter, you can choose those options, and then Pycharm will automatically switch your project to the environment and update the available packages. If your packages is missing or does see missing after switching, you could install them again in the new interpreter or select the correct environment that already has them installed. Pretty much depends on you and how you'll do this process, but that's pretty much how you can technically change interpreters in Pycharm. So hopefully the information in this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.